Alright everyone, we have our 2008 Forest River SunSeeker Class C motorhome with a Ford chassis, the V10 engine in it, 21,000 miles, one slide. We have a Guardian generator with 115 hours. Good tires all the way around it. A lot of storage space. We've got a receiver hitch on the bottom for towing your car. We've got I'm wanting to say that's around a 15-foot awning, electric awning. This is a nice unit inside and out. I was hoping the sun would shine a little bit. The clouds are covering right now. But we can go inside. This unit is equipped with a backup monitor. It's got a lot of sleeping. Actually, this unit called for sleeping 8. Got your booth dinette, and it has a jackknife bed here. Day and night shades. We have been cleaning this unit. There's your shower. We've not got a bedspread on it yet. There's your bathroom. If you're interested in this unit, give Bobby a call. 606-515-7164.